If you're considering elevating your creative setup or transforming your workspace into a high-performance powerhouse, then you might be intrigued by the latest evolution in compact computing, a refined hub designed to complement the newest generation of Mac Mini models running Apple's cutting-edge silicon. The latest iteration of this Mac Mini hub isn't merely an accessory. It's a bridge that turns your sleek, minimal desktop machine into a versatile command center. As we venture into the landscape of computing in 2025, this hub is built for those who demand more connectivity, more productivity, more potential. Apple's M4 chip has ushered in a new era of speed and efficiency, representing a significant jump over previous generations. This updated processor is built on advanced architecture that seamlessly balances raw power and energy conservation. But while the chip itself propels the Mac Mini to new heights, the right hub ensures that this potential is fully unleashed. Designed with meticulous precision, this hub sports a sturdy aluminum exterior that complements the Mac Mini's form factor perfectly. The result is an elegant stackable solution that maintains the clean aesthetics of your workspace while massively expanding functionality. Forget plastic dongles and loose adapters cluttering your desk. This hub is built to be part of your setup, both visually and functionally. Where this hub shines brightest is in its connectivity prowess. It features next-generation Thunderbolt 4 ports capable of jaw-dropping transfer speeds and low-latency performance. These ports are ideal for connecting high-bandwidth accessories, from blazing fast external solid-state drives to 4K or even 8K displays, and advanced external GPUs that give your Mac Mini workstation-level graphics performance. Creatives working with ultra-high-resolution video, designers managing massive project files, and professionals juggling large datasets can all benefit from the seamless performance this offers. Additionally, traditional USB-A ports remain part of the design, perfect for legacy accessories, peripherals, and devices you still rely on. There's also a full-size HDMI port for connecting external monitors and projectors, and a gigabit Ethernet port providing stable high-speed wired internet connections. For those tired of slow Wi-Fi and unreliable wireless connections, a wired solution delivers the stability needed for uninterrupted video calls, cloud backups, and large data transfers. Beyond raw specs, there's the experience. Plug-and-play simplicity ensures no drivers, no complicated setup, no headaches. Just connect your devices and focus on your projects. Whether you're deep in code, editing cinematic footage, producing music, or conducting business meetings, the hub is built with the future in mind, ready to adapt as Apple devices continue to evolve. Real-world use cases highlight the hub's strengths. A filmmaker might connect dual monitors, multiple high-speed storage devices, a control surface, and studio-grade headphones, seamlessly handling enormous 8K raw video files while previewing edits on an external reference monitor. Meanwhile, a software developer could have the Mac Mini powering 2 screens with code editors and virtual machines running, a mechanical keyboard, webcam, external drives for backups, and more, all while the system remains cool and responsive, thanks to the efficient heat dissipation offered by the hub's metal chassis. Another major win is design. The premium aluminum exterior isn't just a beauty choice, it also assists with cooling, ensuring the hub doesn't overheat even during long sessions. Many cheaper plastic alternatives run hot and suffer from connection issues over time. This hub is crafted to last, retaining its solid feel and reliable performance through countless hours of intensive work. Of course, no product is without caveats. The price point of this hub might be considered high by casual users who simply need to plug in the occasional USB flash drive. If your needs are basic, cheaper hubs exist, though they often come with trade-offs in reliability, performance, and longevity. Some might wish the hub included dedicated SD or microSD card slots for photographers needing rapid card transfers. Still, these can be easily resolved by plugging in compact card readers to one of the high-speed ports. Comparisons to other hubs reveal a clear distinction in quality and design integration. Some hubs, like those from generic brands, deliver a wider range of ports on paper but often compromise on build quality and speed consistency. Even well-known competitors in the premium space sometimes fall short when it comes to seamless Mac Mini integration, looking more like afterthought add-ons than purpose-built solutions. Where this hub truly stands out is the intentional design language that feels native to the Mac Mini experience. Every port is positioned for practicality. The aluminum finish is nearly indistinguishable from the machine it complements, Even subtle details, like ventilation cutouts and port labeling, are handled with care. As you consider expanding your workspace, think beyond today's tasks. The M4 Mac Mini, combined with this hub, isn't just an upgrade, it's a foundation for the future. As Apple continues to push the boundaries with faster chips and evolving peripheral standards, having a hub built to handle tomorrow's workflows is a forward-thinking investment. For remote workers, the stable Ethernet connection and multi-display support transform video calls, presentations, and collaborative cloud-based work into frictionless experiences. For students or creative hobbyists, the hub removes the hassles of juggling accessories and converters, creating a seamless environment that keeps focus on the work, not the tech. Another factor that often goes unnoticed but is critical in daily use: reliability. In extended testing, this hub has shown exceptional stability. No random disconnects, no glitches when connecting multiple devices, and no surprise overheating that could threaten projects. In a world where much of our productivity depends on tech functioning exactly as expected, that level of confidence is invaluable. Aesthetics also matter. Today's workspace is often as much about mood and inspiration as it is about performance. A cluttered desk with tangled cables, plastic dongles, and mismatched devices can weigh on your mindset. This hub contributes to a clean, elegant setup, one where cables run discreetly and everything fits in harmony. Looking ahead, as Apple continues refining the Mac Mini and pushing the envelope of what its compact machines can do, this hub is poised to grow with you. From triple monitor setups to high bandwidth peripherals of tomorrow, its flexible design is ready to handle the demands of evolving workflows. Whether you're an artist pushing the boundaries of digital canvases, a developer exploring the limits of virtual machines, or a business professional needing stable, high-speed connectivity in every scenario, this hub delivers. To summarize the key benefits: Thunderbolt for support, offering blazing data transfer speeds and low latency for K and beyond HDMI output, ideal for multi-monitor setups and immersive visuals. Gigabit Ethernet, providing stable, wired connections critical for remote work, streaming, and cloud-based tasks. Multiple USB-C and USB-A ports to connect modern and legacy peripherals with ease. Aluminum construction that ensures durability, effective cooling, and seamless design integration with the Mac Mini. Plug-and-play experience with no drivers or setup headaches. Simply connect and create. While the price may be a consideration for some, the investment pays dividends in peace of mind, performance, consistency, and the polished aesthetic it brings to your workspace. In the shifting world of modern work, where demands grow and expectations rise, having a tool that simply works every time is worth its weight in gold. Ultimately, the newest Mac Mini M4 Hub represents more than just a tech upgrade. It is a thoughtful addition to a broader ecosystem, one designed to empower creativity, bolster productivity, and pave the way for the workflows of tomorrow. As the computing landscape continues to evolve, investing in tools that enhance rather than hinder your daily tasks becomes not just a luxury, but a necessity. With this hub by your side, the promise of the M4 Mac Mini is truly unlocked, transforming your machine into a versatile, robust command center that meets the challenges of today and the surprises of the future.